Zainab, we are going to read a new book today with sounds, okay? We have already done in the class. What is this sound, Zainab? What's this sound? And what this is one sound. What's this sound? You. You. When we read this word, you, new. D, d, o, g, dog. D, o, g, dog. Show me your fingers and say the sounds. D, o, g, dog. And in new there are two sounds. N, u, new. And over here, w, a, n, t, want. Over here, a is saying the ed is id. Wanted, 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 and now wanted. Now over here, this is a tricky word. Over here, y is saying the sound of e. Y is saying the sound of every. And we are going to read it with this. This word is a tricky one. We are going to read it with the spelling O-N-E, one. O-N-E, every one. So, you, new, dog, dog, wanted, wanted, every one. Okay, now Zainab, please go ahead and read this book, please. A new dog. A new dog. Okay, over here. Kipper wanted. Kipper wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. Zainab, now we are going to read the names of the characters in the book. Can you read this with the sound? Read the word with the sound. D, ad, dad. Now read this. Mum. B, a, biff. This is one sound. Ch, a, p, chip. Now read this. K, a, p, r. This is one sound and this is one sound. So dad, mum, biff, chip, kipper. Thank you, Zainab. Wanted a dog. Shabash. Read. Yes. A dog. Shabash. See? A dog. Good job. Shabash. New dog. Kipper wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. Now I want you to write everyone on your white. Dog. A Everyone
wanted a dog.
Now I want you to write everyone. New dog. Wanted read the sounds d or g. Dog. Everyone wanted a dog. There's no new. Kipper wanted a
Dog.
yes. Next.
Dog.
What's this word? Everyone wanted a dog.
Dog. Wanted you dog.
No. Kipper.
Kipper wanted a dog.
Kipper
Kipper
wanted.
wanted a dog.
There's no new written over here, please. Everyone, leave the marker. Leave the marker. Wanted.
हाँ देखो dog है dog.
Dog. What's the word? Dog. Dog.
Dog. New dog. Kipper wanted a new dog. A new
There's
dog.
no new. Kipper wanted a dog.
Dog.
Leave it, please. Okay, now here. Everyone wanted a look at this. There's no new. Everyone wanted a dog.
New dog. Wanted a dog.
Everyone wanted
a dog.
Very good. Now write wanted on the one wanted a dog.